I'm on that white horse, I'm Hercules. I ball out like rage on Rondo. Get him drunk, then take him to my condo.
And what's going on, guys? So today we are going to be doing my tie rods. Why are we going to be doing my tie rods? I don't know. I feel like they're about to fucking snap. Alright, so if I grab the wheel very nicely, you might be able to hear. Wait. Now for one, it shouldn't move like that. And for two, the other side's the exact fucking same. Yeah, sick. Alright, so we're gonna be doing tie rods. But yeah, that's gonna be the start of this video. So stay tuned. Might be some more funny content where shit might drop on me, don't know. Could be lit, could be fun. But yeah. That's pretty much it. It's just gonna be tie rods today, so stick around, have fun. Alrighty, so this is gonna be doing your tie rods, boy. Alright, so first thing you're gonna want to do is, before undoing anything around here, all you want to do is undo this bolt here, which is this little bad boy at the back here. Why? Because you undo that, then you can undo this, and then you can pop that out with a special little tool. Hey buddy, that needs to spin around, but you know. So pretty much the way this tool works, let me fix that, slides in just like that. That goes underneath the nut, and then you tighten this bad boy up, and then ping, Bob's your uncle. Then once you've done that, you can undo this bar here, and then from there, once it's all out, you lift it up, you go back here, and you can undo the massive bolt that's at the back here. Normally you got a special tool for that. I don't have a special tool, so I'm gonna be using a massive fuck off wrench. But yeah, so walk with me through the process. It's gonna be fun. I'll probably speed some things up, probably cut some things out, don't know, depends how I feel. I'm gonna try and set you guys up so you can see everything, and hopefully it all goes okayly well. Hopefully that's in a good place. Camera doesn't wobble around too much. I'll try and set it up a little bit better. Just got a couple of brake calipers and stuff holding you down. You're all good. Nope, hold a second. Alrighty, let's get into it. So first things first, 19. I'll throw it 3/4, I think it is. Squeechy doochy underneath here, because this is not going to be fun. There we go. Bob's your uncle. She's nicely undone. Then I've got, oh wait, can't do that just yet, because we've got a little pin that has been really pinned around and wrapped around, and this ain't gonna be fun. Alright, that's one super long pin. Whoever put that in is not a nice person to me, but that's alright.
Purchase your tracks today.
I did not just munt that pin, but that's okay because we got new ones. Haha. Alright, so next I want to do is, I hope you're the right size for that actually. You are, Mr. 17. Alrighty. And would you look at that? I make this look too easy, don't I? Oh, fun. That fucking boot cover is so munted. I don't know if you can see from there. Let me just have a look. Oh, you might be able to. Yeah, you can. Look at that. Mr. Flang Dangle. Don't worry, we got new ones. Haha. So, I don't need to actually take that the whole way off. Screw it to about there. Now, this is my special little tool. Fun. Just gotta tighten this bolt down here. Just doing that. Yep, alright, fuck it, that'll do. Should be enough. Squeeze that in there, please. Please go. Alrighty. Start the fun side. Alrighty. Pretty sure it was a 19 again? Yeah. Alrighty. Start tightening it up. Or loosening it off. I don't know what you would call this exactly, to be honest. And that's all you needed. That bad boy is now loose. Take this bolt off. Well, nut off. Odd nut off over this too. Alrighty. Now, technically, I should be able to just unscrew that. So that's 1, 2. And it comes off. Alright, sweet as. So it's the exact same as the other side. It's just 17 turns. Now, I've got to get this boot off. Now the other side had a wire around it, which wasn't very fun, but I'll deal with that boot in a second. But yeah, she's knocking, which is great. I love that sound, don't I? Now the way I did this is get right up behind it, try and find a gap in there. I've got to try and loosen it off. Much. And once that's off, you can have a look. She's munted. Same with your tie rod end. It's loose. It's leaking grease. So she's gone. So we got some new ones. We got some hard race ones because we're going all out with the Civic, aren't we? So what I've got is see, new pin as well. So excited for. Makes me very happy. My new hard race ones, very durable. See how it doesn't move at all, which is good. That is what you want rather than the good old floppy dangle. She's fucking minty, mate. Minty fresh. Alright, so I gotta try and get this boot cover off. It's gonna be fun. I can already see it's gonna be fun. Makes me a very happy little man. Not really. If this is factory standard and you put wire on it, I'm gonna stab you. Because you know what? It's getting cable ties. Yeah, boy. Alrighty. And the old wire can come off. Oh, you little nasty. So that is that. And that's all done. I'm so happy. That makes me happy. Are you happy? Alright, cool. Now we're back to what we were doing. so now all we need to do is grab new shaft, hollow, little bag, new shaft. Okay, you're in another bag. I'm gonna take this nut off, right? So when it comes to putting on the rubber boot cover, I don't have to worry about that nut getting in the way. Oh, also make sure this washer, there's two little points, yeah, so that they need to go into the guidelines, the slot holes of them. Almost sounded like a really bad word, but that's okay, don't worry about that. Oh my god, can you just get in the hole? Oh yeah? Alright.
Purchase your tracks today.
Alrighty, I'm happy with that. Now, I can put on the new rubber boot. That's not the new one, that's the fuck one. Where did I put the new one? Don't tell me it's still on the other side there. Oh no, wait, yes it is. I want to put this over the top because this is my protection, my rubber protection. Push that motherfucker down, bang, you're on. Now I'm going to have to get back underneath the car, cable tie the back of it to the top, where the old one was like wired down. But other than that, we just got to get the little tie rod, my little nut, wherever my little nut. I'm great for losing things, trust me guys. Put the little nut on first because this is what's going to be what's tying your tie rod end down. Oh my god, I am struggling. Now that that's down, I can move that fucker out of the way because you know there's no tie rods holding it down. There's a little bit of grease still stuck on there. Nice floor, bro. Yeah, sick. I can take that little nut off for now. Just remember where I put it, right in front of the camera. Bang. That's where I like to be. Oh wait, how many turns did I start doing on this? Jesus Christ. It's not on yet. That is. Alright, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that should be it right there. Tighten that little bolt up to that. If you can. I normally wait until it's on the thing. Oh, I need to. It's a different size. I think it's now a 20. Thank you for being a hard race. Tighten that down as much as possible just there. Alright. That's now off. Lift up. If you guys tell, I can't tell, I do struggle with getting things into the hole. Now I lost that little nut. No I didn't, we're good. Put that little sucker on there. And that is it. Once I've tightened this up, put the pin in, put a cable tie on the back there, we are done. So that is going to be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the inner and outer tie rod installation. But yeah, like in 20 minutes, pretty much, like in the next 2 minutes I'll be done. Not hard, can do it yourself, don't stress guys. Inexpensive tool, must admit. Like, I think it cost me $20 or something off eBay. The wrench, the adjustable, I I got that for like $5 for a sale at one stage. Like, it's just, all this stuff's just so easy to do it yourself. The tie rods, the inners and outers for both sides cost me under $100. Honda Civic, cheap as fuck, I know, I love it. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Keep in tune.